What's good, Wingo Squad? You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Wingo, you know, the best fucking YouTuber in the world. We got a little mukbang, you know? Hold on. You feel me? I went to the deli, you know what I'm saying? The corner store right there. If y'all know I live in New York, y'all. 2 bag of chips. The purple ones. We're doing a mukbang, by the way. A little, you feel me? I'm motivated to do YouTube every day. I really want to do YouTube, bro. Again. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't really care about YouTube. But now I low-key care about YouTube now, y'all. So we posting every day. So hit that like button and subscribe before we get into this mukbang. Because it's about to get, you feel me? Alright, we got Starburst Minis. Sour. I never had these before. So I'm gonna open it, probably one, and try one. We got a sandwich. I wanted a bagel with cream cheese, but they didn't have bagels. So I just got a regular sandwich, a roll with cream cheese. And then I got like a speaker and new headphones from the store. Because I needed it and shit. But yeah, man. We just gonna chow down. The lighting is pretty ass, bro. This is just a roll with some cream cheese. Mmm. 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 What's good, y'all? Make sure you guys, y'all just, bro, I ain't gonna lie, that food is, this is about to hit, but, yeah, I dropped a new music video today. Since I dropped a new music video today, too, and I was feeling, like, encouraged, because, I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't encouraged to do YouTube, y'all, but now I am. Feel me? I dropped a new music video, and I'm gonna be, on my gaming channel, I'm gonna be posting GTA RP every single day on my gaming channel on YouTube. And then I'm gonna be doing like videos like this, IRL videos, reactions and stuff on here. Every day on my gaming channel, you feel me? I'm doing, man, big things, man. We've been doing so good recently, y'all. I don't know, man. I've been going viral on TikTok. I've been going viral on TikTok, y'all, literally. If you don't already follow me, my TikTok is inside of Wingo. Y'all probably, most of y'all are probably from the TikTok. You feel me? But yeah, I've been going viral, man. I've been live streaming a lot, going viral with the videos. I've been like collabing with big people, y'all. Like y'all been seeing, like I was live streaming with Will Vicky. Like me and Will Vicky are friends now. Me and Island Boys are cool. Like you feel me? And I'm working harder and harder every day. Like this is literally the most successful year that I've ever had in my life, y'all. Literally, bro. Hold on, let me try something. Sandwich chips. Sandwich chips. Let's see if this is good. Let's give this a try. Alright, we're gonna give this a try. Hey, yo, what is this? Yeah, today's about to be a good day, y'all. Music video dropped today, if you guys don't know. It's called Motion. I made the music video in the studio in Brooklyn, y'all. Go check it out. Motion is on YouTube on my music channel. The audio is available everywhere. Spotify, everywhere. Make sure y'all go tap in on that. I hope everybody's having a good year so far. Bro, it's already April. Y'all know what to do, chat. Y'all eat. I'm not chat. You see, look, I think I'm streaming on TikTok, bro. But, time is running out, man. We're almost halfway into the year, man. And you ain't do shit. I want you to be very, very motivated because I know that you can be bigger than me. I'm going crazy on TikTok. This is the most successful year I've had financially wise, thank God. Content creator wise, this is the most fun I've had. Actually, this is the most fun I've had. I've been meeting a lot of new people. Alright, I'm done. I said I was gonna try the candy, so let's do it. I'm only gonna eat one though. I'm full right now. I don't really be buying myself like snacks like that. But like my paycheck just hit. This is sour mini Starburst. Never tried this before. Hold on. Alright. Let's try these. Sour strawberry? Mmm. I ate like half of the pack, man. I said I was gonna have one. If you guys enjoyed this mukbang, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. I'm motivated to do YouTube for real. GTA RP is gonna be so fun. I just needed something on my gaming channel to like base it on. And I didn't want to base it on Fortnite every day. And GTA RP is something different, bro. So I love y'all, man. Appreciate the support. A new music video is dropping. Well, it already dropped today. It's Calm Motion. Go check it out. It didn't drop. By the time you're watching this, it dropped. But by the time I'm making this video, it didn't drop. I'm going to start my day off with a little nice shower. And add some food. Nice shower. I'm going to jam out to my new song while I'm in the shower. Then I'm gonna come out, hit the Zaza, and then make some videos on TikTok. Then shut the fuck up. Shut your bitch ass up. Alright? Shut up! Hey! It's me. Hit that like button, subscribe. This is my first time using the speaker. I bought the speaker and headphones literally today. So we gonna use it, man. I ain't even going out today, y'all. I'm just taking a shower just to look fresh, feel good. Chat, yeah. I had a I'm mad, y'all, cause my hair, I keep calling y'all chat. I'm mad, y'all, because I have my hair wavy. If y'all know, y'all know, and she blow dried her and it's not wavy and curly at all. So now I'm gonna start putting my hair in a bun every single day, so that it gets like a natural beach waves. If you put your hair in a bun every day, you get natural beach waves. If you want waves in your hair and you don't have waves, do that. But I have low-key curly hair and wave, but she blow dried her and messed it up. Like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. I'm posting every day now. And subscribe to my gaming channel, Wingo Gaming. I'm posting GTA RP on there. I'm about to listen to my new song, Motion. See y'all tomorrow, next video.